Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight on Wall Street, markets closed lower. The Dow was largely flat, slipping 0.01%, while the S&P 500 fell 0.14% and the tech-heavy Nasdaq declined 0.57%. Asian markets, however, opened mostly higher. South Korea's Kospi led the gains, jumping 2.3%, while the Kosdaq rose 1.42%. Japan's Nikkei gained 0.55%, the Topix added 0.22%, and Australia's ASX 200 advanced 0.72%. Nifty closed at 23,996 in a previous session, marking a loss of 191 points. Index extended its losing streak for the third straight session as rising geopolitical tensions pushed Brent crude to $94, triggering broad-based profit booking. The index formed a sizable bearish candle and slipped below its 20-day SMA, indicating weakening near-term momentum. For today's session, 24,000 remains the make-or-break level. A sustained move below the previous session's low of 23,961 could intensify selling pressure and drag the index towards 23,900 and the upper end of the bullish gap at 23,800 formed on June 15th. On the upside, the bulls need to reclaim the 20-day SMA at 24,120, followed by a move above 24,300 to regain momentum. From a positional perspective, the 23,800 to 23,645 bullish gap remains a crucial support zone, while 24,500 continues to be the key resistance for the broader trend. Wednesday's broad-based sell-off extended the losing streak to a third session as Middle East tensions pushed Brent crude above $95, fueling inflation concerns and dragging the rupee down 34 paise to 96.59. FII sold 819 crores rupees, taking the monthly net inflow to 18,189 crores rupees. Nifty futures plunged 192 points in a fresh short build-up, with open interest rising 4.7% by 8.11 lakh shares, while the discount widened from -7 to -8 points. Bank Nifty futures dropped 770 points as open interest increased 3.9% by 1.02 lakh shares, also indicating a short build-up, while premiums narrowed from 133 to 72 points. Options activity remained call-heavy, with fresh call writing at 24,000 and unwinding at 24,600, while puts were added at 24,000 and unwound at 24,200. Nifty PCR declined from 1.01 to 0.84, while Bank Nifty PCR fell from 0.92 to 0.81. India VIX rose 5.5% to 13.29 as traders rushed to hedge against higher crude prices and US tariff concerns. The FII long-short ratio remained unchanged at 0.09. FIIs reduced futures and calls while adding protective puts. Proprietary traders added index futures and options but reduced stock futures, while bullish retail participants accumulated index futures and calls and cut put protection, leaving them exposed to further downside. For today, watch 23,700 as strong support and 24,300 as major resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments and securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.